Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset a Honda Accord maintenance light. First, locate the trip odometer reset button on your dashboard, usually near the speedometer. Next, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure the engine oil life display is visible on your odometer. This is crucial for the reset process to work correctly. We'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth reset. Now, with the ignition on and the oil life displayed, press and hold the trip odometer reset button. Keep holding it for about 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life indicator start to blink, confirming you're in the reset mode. Don't release the button yet. Continue holding it until the display changes and shows 100%, indicating a successful reset. It's a simple process once you know the steps. Once the display shows 100% oil life, you can release the trip odometer reset button. To confirm the reset, turn your ignition key completely off, then turn it back to the on position. The maintenance light should now be off, signifying that the system has been successfully reset. This simple procedure helps keep your Accord's maintenance schedule accurate. If the maintenance light remains on after your first attempt, don't worry. Simply repeat the reset steps carefully from the beginning. It's important to ensure the engine is not running during the entire reset procedure. Sometimes, a slight delay in holding the button can affect the outcome. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is always a good idea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.